Good evening, guys. Tonight is Friday night, and I'm going to join the 1 Series owners car meet again. So this time there's no toge ride at Genting or Karak Highway, but we are meeting at this Awan Besar R&R station at Kesas Highway. So I think there will be about 18 to 19 1 Series owners, mostly I believe F20, but there will be some E87 owners as well. And yeah, I'm currently heading there. And yeah, this is actually my third car meet with the 1 Series owners since I bought the car in April, which is like 6 months ago. Yeah, exactly 6 months ago. And yeah, to me, I find that it is good that, you know, the 1 Series owners can come out together, meet up, have fun, and also of course poison each other. What I'm saying here is that you get poisoned when you see how your other friends modified their cars and things like that, and also learn some new knowledge about your cars and things like that. And of course, just to catch up with everyone, which is a good thing. And I'm glad that this little community is still quite active at central Malaysia level, in Kuala Lumpur, Klang Valley especially. And I heard that there are also some members or 1 Series owners who come from other places, like I think there's one from as far as Penang. Following Mustang. So yeah, I think one of the reasons a lot of car meets have been held at this Awan Besar R&R is because that rest and recreational stop of the highway is huge enough, and it has plenty of parking space, and I guess that is why the main reason a lot of car enthusiasts like to hold their car meets over there. And now I just need to look for everybody because our rendezvous point was actually at 10, and now it's already 10:47. So I'm considered late. Well, I think I see them. Okay. Hopefully there's still a place for me to park. Lewat lah, lewat. Halo bro, long time no see.
YouTube.
Halo. Ada orang lagi.
Sebab tu dia lambat, dia nak send.
Isi. So, quite a huge crowd. I think there's okay, let's see how many cars we have today. So we also have a F30 here. The one and only F30 yang masih dengan kita.
F30 elektrik.
Yeah. I ingat Hui Tek tak datang.
Hui Tek ada.
Oh.
Kidding saja.
Oh. Hari tu dia cakap dia nak masuk stage 2 tau, tapi tak jadi. Sudah. Boy. Hi bro. Jam. Hai. Okay.
BMW Jakarta, BMW Don. Bro. Nyap. Pak rombeng yang 1X ya, 1X. Halo Jam. Oke, jap. 1, 2